Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone keep losing signal and no service error after the update of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to check the carrier update if available. To check that, we have to launch settings, then tap general and tap about. If the carrier update is available, a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap update to update the carrier. Then go back to general, tap on software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Under settings, we have to tap on mobile or cellular data and tap mobile data option, tap voice and data and select 4G instead of 5G. Now go back to settings, general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. And also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After the force restart, launch settings, mobile or cellular data and tap network selection, turn off automatic. After turning off the automatic, we have to wait for a couple of minutes and we are not going to select the carrier manually. We have to wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back the automatic. In the end, what we have to do, go back to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings, iPhone passcode, tap again, reset all settings to confirm. And also, turn off your iPhone, take out the SIM card, clean the SIM card very gently, reinsert, turn on your iPhone and your problem will be solved. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.